What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Okay, so there are two things that are just unbelievable. First of all, I recently dropped my transformation video and that has gotten so much support lately. It's insane. Thank you so much for that. I can't thank you guys enough. So much kind comments, so much comments that tell me that they're motivated. That's exactly why I made the video. I want to motivate you guys. It's insane, and if you haven't seen the transformation video yet, make sure to check it out because it will mean so much to me and it will motivate you. And the second one, maybe even crazier, we together hit 25,000 subscribers. That is crazy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Thank you so much for this. It's insane. But for now, we're all here for the same question. How do you start? So since so many of you asked questions about this on my transformation video, I will cover the basics today and I'm gonna transform your body. A lot of people think workout, workout, workout. I'm telling you, if you want to transform your body, working out is less important than nutrition. Nutrition is key. 70% is nutrition, 30% is working out. That's okay. I want you to think about what you ate today and what you ate yesterday. Is there a pattern? Is it most of the time I'm eating this because I feel like it? Well, that's about to change. Promise me this. You want something like this? Cut the crap. No cheating around, nothing. Doesn't matter if you want to go from skinny to muscular or fat to muscular, it doesn't matter. Just eat healthy. What you put in your body, that's what your body's gonna show. If you eat healthy, your body's gonna look healthy. For now, what I want you to do is eat healthy. And with eating healthy, I do not mean not eating at all. Start with a good breakfast. So have some bread with some fruits, have some bread with chicken. Eat healthy. Healthy. I can't say it enough. You have to stop fooling yourself and telling yourself what is healthy and not healthy. This is possible. No. Cut the crap, just eat healthy. And please, to make it easy for everyone, the only thing you're allowed to drink from now on is water. Other drinks like Coke and things like that, that's so many calories. You're drinking your calories. That's a waste. You shouldn't do that. The amount of what you should eat every day depends on your body type. From a little bigger to muscular, probably because that's what I've seen the most in the comments. For those, I suggest lower the calories a lot. I know how many calories you're taking right now, but since you're probably a little overweight, take it easy. And I know every single one of you can do this. And I'm not saying that you have to do this in order to be perfect. Not the case at all, but if you want to make a change, you're probably watching this video because of that. I know you can do it. No cheating around, eat healthy in the morning, eat healthy in the afternoon, just eat healthy. You know, to keep it easy, take some bread, 3 pieces of fruit and some eggs a day. You should not starve yourself and that's not what I'm telling you to do. Maybe for you it's even good to count your calories, so stay under those 2,000 calories a day because then you're losing the fat, you know. You want to look good, right? You can do it, come on. For the other body type, skinny to muscular, I'm actually food-wise suggesting the same thing, but just eat a lot more. Just eat over 3,000 calories, maybe 3,500 calories. Just for you, it's also good to count your calories. Just eat a lot, but eat healthy. And I made the eat healthy thing so clear, but what I'm just trying to say, just eat 80% of the day good. 20% can be some, some shit. Just keep that as a maximum. And if you want to fasten the progress, of course, eat 100% healthy or something like that. Drink plenty of water. Not only because there are no calories in there, but also it refreshes your body, it's good for it, and it shows the muscles. That's not fully true, but I just want you to drink a lot of water. Okay, that were the food basics. I'm going to make a full day of eating from what I ate and what I'm eating right now every day. Make sure to hit that like button if you're excited for that, and make sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. So more about the food and what I exactly ate will be coming on this channel soon. But for now, we're gonna work out. I'm trying to make a workout for everyone, so minimal to no equipment needed. Without further ado, let's get into the workout. So alright, we're in this park. This is actually not a park, but that's something that kind of shows how we train and how we've trained the past year. The thing is that this is not a park, this is a playground, right? And we've been here and there were so many children, but still we've trained. So rule number 1, never skip a workout. What's the saying? The worst workout is the one you never did. Alright, that's the one, that's the one. Keep that in mind. Amazing weather today. Rule number 2, do not do a workout because the weather is shit. Number 2. But okay, serious business. First thing you always need to do is stretch and warm up. Get your warm up done, because we have been injured before and that was probably because or we didn't warm up properly, or we just were stupid. Just warm up your body. It's really important, like I just said. Just because you haven't been in that many situations like working out and stuff like that, the most important thing is just get that blood flowing in your body and get to do some stuff. Just do some jumping jacks and other stuff we'll show you right now.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Okay, so if normal push-ups get too easy for you, try some explosive ones and some things that look cooler. Just try some things, or some things we'll show you right now.
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah.
Okay, pull-ups. I know they're pretty hard. Since I couldn't do them when I started out, I couldn't even do one. This is how you do them. You can do some negatives, things like these. What you do, so you have a bar, you jump on the bar, grab it here, and go down as slow as possible. And if you're down to the ground, get up again, and as slow as possible. And something that I just showed you, Australian pull-ups, things like these, will also work for your normal pull-ups. But for those who think pull-ups are too easy, and you think, this is getting too easy for me, I want a challenge, you just gotta do some things we're just showing you. I'm gonna show you right now. Some explosive things, some cool things. Do those.
Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
Alright, for shoulder, please listen to me and do handstand, because it's a lot of fun and it's really important for your shoulders to develop them. It's just do the handstand, try it against the wall, and begin as soon as possible. Just start today, because you will thank me later. Alright, for legs, I want you to do two basic things: squats and lunges. exercises get too easy for you, like the other ones, get more explosive, do some explosive squats and some explosive lunges, like I'm showing you right now. Alright people, that was the workout. What I want you to do right now is pick 2 to 3 items from every subject. So 3 exercises from chest and tricep, 3 from back and bicep, 2 to 3 for abs, 2 to 3 exercises from shoulder, and of course 2 leg exercises. Everything around 4 sets from 8 to 12 reps. If you go explosive, you can lower the reps a bit, but try to get as high as possible and get the most out of yourself. Do not give up. I know you can do this. At least 4 times a week. I know you can do this. Come on. Alright, that was for this workout. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was informative and I hope it helps. Let me know in the comments if it helped. Let me know your progress. Tweet me some photos. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, everything. It's in the description below. Please do not give up. I know you can do this. You can make yourself proud. You can make me proud. If I can do it, you can do it too. Do not give up. I just keep repeating myself, but it's just important because you will be so proud if you look further into the future like, damn, that was me, this is me, I can do this. I really hope you enjoyed watching again. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and I will see you in my next videos, of course. See you in my next video.